Welcome to the show. Today we're pushing past, just the theory of agentic AI.
Right, and getting straight into the real-world impact.
Exactly. Our mission is to really give you a shortcut to understanding the architecture, its power, and maybe most importantly, the guardrails for these systems.
hmm
Now, if you're used to traditional AI, you're thinking command-driven, rule-based.
Sure.
But the shift here is it's profound. Agentic AI is goal-driven. It's autonomous.
And that's the key. It doesn't just wait for the next instruction. It assesses, it adapts, and it learns to hit an objective.
It's already becoming a kind of digital workforce, isn't it?
It is. We're seeing it reshape cybersecurity, healthcare, even software development.
Yeah.
This really is the next evolution of automation. It's moving beyond just following rules to making dynamic decisions.
So if these agents are basically super empowered employees that are always learning, we have to look inside.
Look under the hood.
Yeah.
Yeah.
We're talking about a continuous processing loop, right? The core architecture. What are the pieces that give it that autonomy?
It's built on a cycle of four critical layers. It all starts with a perception module.
Okay.
The agent has to understand its environment. It's continuously collecting data from APIs, databases, sensors.
So it's not just looking at one dashboard, it's drinking from multiple fire hoses at once to get the full picture.
Precisely. And all that data feeds right into the reasoning and planning engine. That's the brain.
And that's where it figures out what to do.
Exactly. It takes the big goal, breaks it into subtasks, it weighs different strategies, and then picks the best path. It often uses things like LLMs to, simulate thought.
And once it has a plan, it has to act on it.
That's the action and execution layer. This is where it actually interacts with the world, writing code, sending an email, changing a setting.
Got it.
But the part that makes it truly smart, the thing that lets it improve, is the memory and learning system.
Right, so it remembers everything.
Everything. Its past decisions, its mistakes, its successes. It tracks user feedback. It remembers, so it doesn't have to relearn things the hard way.
Let's make this real with an example. Something concrete. In software development, say.
Okay, perfect example. An agent can act as a deployment manager.
So you don't tell it how to do something, you just give it a goal.
You just give it a goal, like improve application performance. It then goes off, analyzes the logs, finds the bottleneck, optimizes the code, and deploys the fix.
All without a human needing to approve every little step.
Exactly. And that self-optimization is huge in cybersecurity, too. An agent can monitor traffic, spot an anomaly, and respond in real time.
By doing what? Shutting down a port?
Or isolating a compromised system entirely. And unlike older tools, it adapts to brand new attack patterns on the fly.
This sounds incredibly efficient, but the sources we looked at take a sharp turn right here, don't they? Towards the risks.
They do, because with this much power and speed, governance becomes essential.
And the biggest challenge has to be just loss of control. An agent taking an action you didn't expect.
That's number one. And right behind it is the security risk. If a powerful autonomous agent gets compromised,
The damage could be massive.
yeah,
And fast.
incredibly fast, which also brings up all these ethical questions about accountability and transparency.
So how do you manage that responsibly?
You have to build in guardrails from the start, clear boundaries, detailed audit logs for every single action, and critically mandatory human-in-the-loop systems for key decisions.
Now, that idea of a compromised agent it's really sobering. The governance you build today seems almost more important than the code itself.
I think that's right.
So the big takeaway here is that agentic AI is a foundational shift, a powerful new digital workforce, but balancing that autonomy with responsibility is everything.
It's paramount. And let me leave you with one more forward-looking idea from the sources.
Go for it.
We're likely heading toward fully autonomous digital companies. And, perhaps most striking, AI agents negotiating directly with other AI agents.
With no human in the middle of the negotiation?
None. They make the deal, and humans might only audit it after the fact. So the question becomes, what governance framework do you need when intelligence operates completely outside the human decision loop?
That is a compelling thought to end on. We invite you to consider how this technology might just reshape your own field. Next time, we'll dive deeper into multi-agent collaboration and swarm intelligence.